What's up YouTube? It's Andre back with another amazing video for you today. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can earn money doing the thing that you're doing right now. And that's earn money by watching videos. And most times people always ask me, Andre, can you find something that's going to be worldwide? Yes, this is going to be worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. You'll be able to sign up for this and you can earn some money right away. So earn money just by watching videos. So don't try to skip ahead and miss out on the most important steps, because I'm going to give you a few different websites. Maybe I give you 2 websites. Maybe I give you 3. Maybe I throw in an additional and I'll give you 4. You just don't know. So don't try to skip ahead and miss out on the important things. Earn money just by watching videos, and it's going to be worldwide. You're already watching this video, so why not earn some money just by doing it? So here's my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And what I'm going to do as well, at the end of this video, I'm going to share my #1 way of making money online. And I'll just send you over some information so that way you could see what I'm working with and how I'm making this kind of money on the internet. All right? So like, subscribe, lots of different things. And once you subscribe, every time I create a brand new video, guess what? You're going to be the first one that's going to be notified. You're going to be the one that's going to get the first video that I put out. So that way you can get way ahead before your competition and before everybody takes these offers or videos or opportunities that I create and I put together. So let's do this. The first app that we're going to be talking about how you can earn money just by watching video, and it's MoneyApp.org. So go to MoneyApp.org. It's available on the Apple Store. You can get this on the Google Store as well. And it's just 3 easy steps to make some extra money, just like I would say it right here on the website. So you can earn in 3 ways. You can earn credit, you can cash out, and you can enjoy your money. So you can do simple task, hot offers tab. Make sure you click on the hot offers, because if it's not hot, that means it's gonna be flop. Just another joke. We recommend checking out the offers that stated hot. So pick the hot offers so you can get those credits. Once you get your credit balance, you could click on the payout tab by requesting payout, and it will send money into your PayPal account. So if you got a PayPal account, sign up for that. If PayPal doesn't work in your country, don't worry. I got you covered, because on the next website, I'm going to show you how you can earn money by watching videos and earn money through crypto. So my crypto lovers, my people worldwide, this is going to be for you. The next website that I'm going to share with you. So you can earn money, and your payouts are going to be normally right after this, about 48 hours. So if you're going to combine all these websites and all these apps that I'm going to share with you, I can tell you right now, at the end, you can make a good chunk of money if you do all 3 in one day. Just keep doing it over and over again, and you can make that money. So the website that I want to share with you is Coinbase.com. Coinbase.com, they're over in California. That's where they're located, in California, and this is where people buy crypto. But we all know that crypto is the new digital world, and people always want to learn about it. So once you go on Coinbase.com, just click on where it says get. This number changes so often. Click on where it says earn crypto, earn while learning about crypto. And you could start earning just by clicking on the tab right here. And once you click on it, right, if you click on it, it's going to take you down. So these are some of the things that you can watch videos, you can learn, and all these are monies that you can get. So you can, calculate, look at this, earn $50. If you scroll down here, you'll see it for yourself. How does Coinbase earn work? So you watch videos, as I told you before. You watch videos, you complete tasks, you earn money, and you could start today. So we've created educational videos for you to teach you about different type of cryptos. After each video, you'll receive a simple quiz test. So you're going to do a little test afterwards. So you watch the videos, get a pen and get a piece of paper, just write things down, and you'll earn crypto in your Coinbase account for every quiz that you complete. So you can just withdraw it. You can earn opportunities Earn opportunities are only available for a limited time and to a small set amount of customers. So they're going to do it for a limited time, small set of customers as well, and you can get started with that. So yeah, make some money and make some crypto while you're at it. Watch videos, earn some crypto. I think that's a fair deal. So this website as well is called Super Pay Me. And Super Pay Me, they do fast payments within 24 hours. So you can make money online and you could get free paid surveys. So within 24 hours, right away you can make money. So there's low cash out threshold. You can work from home. Promo codes, cash out contests, free paid surveys, offers, and just to join, they're gonna give you 20 cents. 20 cents right there. So they got PayPal, they got Tango Card, Amazon, uh, Shrilk or Skrilk, whatever. There's Bitcoin as well. So you could join today. And once you join, you're just going to do the registration. It's going to take you 2 minutes. So take parts just by earn, right? You can also earn by watching videos, completing paid offers. So you could get paid. That's how you're going to get paid. And they paid within 48 hours via PayPal, Bitcoin, or Skrilk. Okay? And you can watch this little video right here to learn more. You can earn cash, earn points, earn free gift cards. Why choose to work online? So share your opinion with different brands that you love. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to give your opinions on different brands, and as long as you give a good review and not just something you're going to do mumbo jumbo, they'll make sure you get paid right away. And there's been 3 million members since 2012. That's a lot of people. And they get, they have a 4.79 average. They have over 842 reviews. So you could just come on here and you could sign up. There's actually payment proof of members they got paid over $3 million already. There's people shooting this video today. People are already getting paid. So in the PayPal account, people are getting paid. So all you have to do is just sign up and you can get started. How it works, just click on How It Works tab. 3 easy steps that you need to do. Complete those surveys and you could join. So you can watch videos. See? Videos. An effortless and quick way to earn money online. Simply watching videos that we have available for you to earn. So I think that's a pretty sweet deal. You watch videos, you make money. That's how simple and how fun. So you can earn money just by watching videos. So make sure you check out these 3 websites because they're going to be good and you can do all 3 at the same time and you could just accumulate your money so you can have a good lump sum once you're done and you could get paid. Now, as I mentioned before, I'm going to give you my number 1 recommendation. And as I said before, below my video in the comment section, I'm going to leave, not in the comment, but in the description, I'm going to leave my number 1 recommendation. And you can go and sign up for it right away because today I didn't even do anything and this will help you earn some passive income. We were out today on boat and I made $200. So that's a pretty sweet deal to me just by doing nothing and you make some money. So if you want to learn how to, get money like this and earn, this is going to be a great course for you to get started. So go check it out right now so you can learn more about it. I'm going to leave it in the description. I'll catch you on the next video and I'll talk to you soon. Like, subscribe, share. Peace.